So we are actually in the quarter 3 of 2024 and smartphone prices have not yet come down, but instead they keep decreasing or rising due to the dollar exchange rate currently in Nigeria. So if you are at a budget of 300,000 naira or $200 and you're wondering what kind of smartphone you can actually get at that price point, then worry no more, because in this video I'm going to show you my best budget Android devices that's worth 300,000 naira currently in Nigeria. So if it's something that interests you, please give this video a thumbs up, and also let's vibe on. Hey, what's up guys, it's Xiaomi here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about best budget smartphones that are currently selling at 300,000 or $200. So yeah, the first smartphone I would highly recommend at that price point is the Samsung Galaxy A25. So the Samsung Galaxy A25 is currently selling at 305,000 naira, which is slightly above the budget, right? Yeah, I know, but it got some cool features and nice specs, but the U-shaped cutout on the screen is where it falls short. So starting with the design, the Samsung Galaxy A25 comes with a cool design, and you can literally mistake it for an S series due to the similarity in terms of the camera placement. But yeah, they are still different. The design of the Samsung Galaxy A25 has a sleek polished surface that looks attractive. So for that price point, you are literally rocking a premium budget smartphone. So when it comes to the display, the Samsung Galaxy A25 comes with Super AMOLED 6.5-inch display that refreshes at 120 Hz. It has a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and a cool feature called Always On Display. Yeah, it's a cool feature because you can only find it on AMOLED displays. With that being said, the real content on this device is pretty cool. The Samsung Galaxy A25 does not only have a nice display, but also a good chipset. It powers the Exynos 1280 chipset, which is pretty much a good chipset for gaming and also multitasking. While you might get 4 major software and security updates, this device comes with the latest Android version, which is the Android 14, that is actually based on MIUI 6.1. Another reason why you should upgrade to this smartphone is because of the camera. It has a pretty decent 60-megapixel main camera, 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and 2-megapixel macro lens. And also, it has a 13-megapixel selfie camera for selfie shots. The cameras are pretty decent and you can record videos up to 4K resolution from the rear camera. And yeah, I do highly recommend the Samsung Galaxy A25 at that price point. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 is another smartphone I will highly recommend at that price point. Well, it was launched earlier this year and it came with pretty cool specs. It comes in pretty cool colors and it has a nice build quality and design. I like the camera setup and also the slim bezels on the screen. This device comes with an AMOLED 6.67-inch display and a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The display supports 1B colors and a peak brightness of 1800 nits, which makes it look crispy and vibrant while viewing content on the device. One thing that actually interests me is the IP54 rating for dust and splash resistance, and also the Gorilla Glass 5 screen protector. So one down part on this device is the software. It actually comes with Android 13 out from the box based on MIUI. But you have 3 major software updates, which means you can upgrade to Android 14 and the latest HyperOS. So that shouldn't be an issue. Powering the Redmi Note 13 is the Snapdragon 685 octa-core processor, which is a 6nm Bitcoin process. But that doesn't make it less in performance compared to the Samsung Galaxy A25. So with the 120Hz high refresh rate alongside the Mali G57 FC2 GPU, gaming on this device is on average, while multitasking and encasing on sites are similar. So I like the fact that the fingerprint scanner is not located at the side, but rather on the screen. And to be honest, this is the feature you can barely see on budget smartphones like this. Now on the camera aspect, we have 3 sensors, which are 108 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and 2 megapixel depth sensor. While on the front, we have 16 megapixel selfie camera for selfie shots. The cameras are really nice and you can take clear photos and videos, though you can only record on 1080 pixel resolution. The 5000 mAh battery on this device is capable of carrying your day-to-day activities, while you have the 3W fast charger to power up your device real quick. So to purchase the Redmi Note 13, it will cost you 262,000 naira to purchase the 256 storage option, while it's going to cost you 246,000 naira to purchase the 128 gig storage variant. While I recommend the Samsung Galaxy A25 and the Redmi Note 13, the Tecno Spark 20 Pro is another smartphone that actually stood out to me at that price point. Though it is not as good as the devices I mentioned in terms of display and other cool features, but well, it still has something to offer at that price point. So it sports 6.78-inch IPS LCD panel, 120Hz high refresh rate with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels. So viewing content on this device might not be as good as the Samsung Galaxy A25 or the Redmi Note 13 due to its LCD display. But that doesn't mean you won't enjoy watching content on this device, right? You get the point. The Tecno Spark 20 Pro comes with a nice innovative design. It has a plastic back that gives it a texture feel, and also it has a nice camera setup as well. Performance are pretty decent on this device since it powers the MediaTek Helio G99. So if you're a gamer, you don't need to worry because the Helio G99 processor is one of the best budget processors we've had this year. On the rear of this device, you have 3 camera sensors, a 108 megapixel main camera, 2 megapixel micro lens, and QHD lens. The cameras can record videos up to 2K resolution, while on the front, it has a point-show selfie camera of 32 megapixel, which is pretty much higher than the rest of the devices I mentioned. However, you are likely to get clean shots from this phone. The Tecno Spark 20 comes with Android 13, and to be honest, I'm not sure if you're getting any software updates. The 256 gig storage option is okay for you to store all your files, though it comes with a slot for external memory storage option. This device houses a digital battery capacity of 5000 mAh that supports 33 watts fast charge, which can literally last a whole day on a single charge. To purchase the Tecno Spark 20 Pro is going to cost you 270,000 naira. So the prices of smartphones I mentioned in this video might vary due to location or wherever you're going to get it from. So here comes the end of my video for the best budget smartphones or Android devices that are currently selling at 300,000 naira or $200 currently in Nigeria. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And yeah, one quick question: which of this device will you buy? Let me know in the comment section. And please do not forget to subscribe and also turn on your notification bell to always get notified whenever I drop a new video on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.